Hi, this is Josh Nelson, owner and founder of Creating Future Millionaires. I want to share with you in the next 2 to 3 minutes about something that's going to blow your mind. We have the ability to impact lives all over the world by telling them about a product that's going to save them money on fuel prices. Now, I'm sure you're aware right now, if you've turned on the news lately, CNN, MSNBC, Fox News, everybody's talking about the rise in fuel prices. And ladies and gentlemen, it's not going to end anytime soon. What if I told you there was a way that you can fight back? Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have a product called Extreme Fuel Treatment that puts money back in your pocket every single time you drive. I have been using this product now for over 2.5 years, and I'm getting about 100 additional miles per fill-up. By my 6th treatment using this product, my mileage had increased over 80 miles, and over the last 2.5 years, I'm now driving 100 extra miles for $3.50 worth of this product. How many people do you know that would want to make some extra money? How many people do you know right now that are struggling in today's economy? What if you were to introduce this to a few people that you know? And what if they were to go out and share it with a few people that they know? And so on and so on and so on. Ladies and gentlemen, I am telling you, this is the most powerful business model you will ever see. For the first time ever, we are taking a product into the largest industry in the world, and we're allowing people like you and I to get paid as our friends and family fill up and make a difference in people's lives. People need to save money right now. We're bringing a product to the marketplace that for the first time ever in this industry puts money back in someone's pocket versus taking it out. Now, if you're anything like me, I hate working a job. I worked a job for 6 years and I got tired of making somebody else rich. I got tired of people putting a price tag around my neck. With our business model, you can build a team literally all over the world and get paid each and every time people drive their vehicle. What if you had the ability to work from home on your phone and laptop, and every day your income would grow? You can give yourself a raise every day if you want to by sharing this with somebody else you know, and they can either become a customer or they can become a business partner, and you earn commissions on both. Ladies and gentlemen, this company's growth is going off the charts. We are growing this business all over the world. We're doing business in Canada, Italy, Puerto Rico, Australia, New Zealand, and it's spreading like a plague. This company is slated and on track to do $1 billion in revenue in the next 3 years, and the person that shared this video with you is in a position to capitalize on a soon-to-be multi-billion-dollar company. If anything that I just said interests you at all, get back to the person that shared this information with you so they can get you all of the information on how you can position yourself and your family in front of $1 trillion industry, which is fuel. Thank you, God bless, and take care.
Hi, I'm Natalie Lewis. I was a corporate level executive working in marketing and sales for over 13 years. I'd worked my way up to the top of $1 billion company and was ready to take that next leap in the executive food chain. I was working what everyone thinks is the dream job with all the perks and benefits. But let's be honest, those benefits didn't come without a price. I didn't have time for the most important part of my life, and I hated it. And the worst part about it, I saw no end in sight. I immediately started looking for a way out, and I saw lots of options, but my years of experience had taught me exactly what to look for. And to be honest, I wasn't finding it until I finally found XFT. It had all the right pieces. It's based on a need, not a want. It appeals to everyone. It's international. It has an impeccable history that proves its effectiveness. And people can use this product without spending any extra money. XFT has been proven in over 2 decades of use in the industrial industry to prolong engine life, decrease emissions, improve performance, and improve fuel economy. Syntec Global recently secured the rights to bring this product from these industrial giants into the hands of the general public so that we could use it to see those same benefits. So what is XFT? Extreme Fuel Treatment, or XFT for short, is a comprehensive fuel treatment that brings multiple patents together to create an unbeatable formulation. There's 7 key components that make up XFT, and they have an impressive history. Let's walk through each one of them one at a time. One of the components in this product is a fuel stabilizer. Many years ago, one of the scientists at what was then AT&T Bell Laboratories created a formulation to stabilize fuel and give it a much longer shelf life. Well, this came about because they had large stationary generators servicing commercial buildings in case of electrical failure. But they had a problem. By the time the generator was actually needed, The fuel had been sitting in the tank too long and had separated. That was clogging the fuel lines and not allowing the generator to even start. Well, the stabilizer created by their scientists stabilized the fuel for longer periods of time, allowing it to stand without separating or deteriorating for years. When he left the company, he took the formulation and the patent for the stabilizer with him. This has become one of the many components in XFT helping to stabilize your fuel, keeping it from breaking down or deteriorating, and giving your fuel longer shelf life for years. Now, multiple components have been added to that, and we're going to start with one of them, something called an organometallic compound. Two of the brightest minds on the planet, Ernst Otto Fischer and Jeffrey Wilkinson, discovered this compound, and they were awarded the Nobel Prize for it. Let me give you an example of why this discovery was so significant. It solved one of the greatest problems in the early days of NASA. Their space rockets were exploding because the fuel wasn't burning evenly, and the high temperature of ignition caused the rockets to either explode or didn't leave them enough fuel to make the journey. By adding this organometallic compound, it kept the rockets from exploding and solved their problem. It also solves many problems in our own vehicles. Adding this compound to fuel, it acts as a catalyst to allow the fuel to ignite at a lower temperature, providing a longer, more complete burn of the fuel. This uses the fuel more efficiently, providing improved fuel economy and less wasted fuel out the exhaust, which reduces emissions by up to 33%. Let me put this in my terms. If you put a cake in the oven at 600 degrees, what happens? It burns on the outside and remains uncooked and gooey in the middle, right? Because it's cooking it to a higher temperature. Well, the same thing is happening with our fuel. It isn't getting a complete burn, so it leaves a lot of unburnt fuel to come out the tailpipe as emissions or clog up your engine with the gooey part. With XFT, you solve this issue by lowering that temperature and getting a more complete burn of the available fuel. This organometallic compound is a significant and very unique component of XFT. Now, while it's attractive to save money with better fuel economy, the product does so much more. There's also 5 different slow-release detergents to clean and maintain your injectors as well as the rest of your fuel system so that it works as efficiently as possible. Rust and corrosion inhibitors remove and prevent rust from your fuel system, keeping it running like it should. It also contains lubricants that help reduce friction from pistons, pumps, and injectors, which would ultimately wear down your engine. This prolongs the working life of your vehicle. It has a demulsifier which keeps water from forming in your fuel. A single drop of water can cause an injector to fail and damage your entire engine, so this component is very important. Polymerization retardants reduce the solids that form in the fuel tank and keep your engine clean, prolonging the life of all those moving parts. All of these components come together to create XFT, a powerful product that increases your fuel economy, prolongs your engine life, reduces emissions, and improves performance. It works in all combustible engines and in multiple types of fuel. So whether you drive a diesel or a car, a boat or an RV, a tractor or a lawnmower, it works in all of it. XFT is perfectly safe. In over 20 years of use, there's never been one claim against this product, and due to an act of Congress, it cannot void your engine's warranty. And it's been proven to work. Let me just give you some examples. PT Palma, the world's largest mining contractor, treats approximately 150 million gallons of fuel every single year with XFT, and it has done that for 15 years. According to their records, this saves them over $17 million in repairs alone. That doesn't even include their fuel savings. Here's what they found. They found that prior to using XFT, they had to break down their engines every 15,000 hours of use. After they started using XFT, their engines didn't need to be broken down and parts replaced until 25,000 hours. To put that in language we understand, that's the equivalent of going from 900,000 miles to 1.5 million miles.